Hey everyone, we all know that feeling, don't we? The excitement of payday. You've worked hard, and now you finally have the money to reward yourself. It's time to try that new restaurant everyone's been raving about, or to clear out that online shopping cart you've been adding to all month. But wait, before you dive headfirst into a spending spree, let's take a step back and consider how you can make the most of your hard-earned money. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 8 essential things to do when you get paid. Start doing this in 2023, and you'll thank yourself in the future. 1. Pay yourself first. Alright, let's dive into the first thing you should do when you get paid. Pay yourself first. You might be thinking, but I just got paid. Isn't that money already mine? Well, yes it is, but here's the thing. As soon as that paycheck hits your account, you're probably already thinking about all the bills you need to pay, groceries you need to buy, and other expenses that have been waiting for your payday. It's easy to get caught up in taking care of all those obligations and forget to set aside some money for yourself and your future. Now, I'm not just talking about treating yourself to a nice dinner or a new pair of shoes. I'm talking about setting aside a portion of your income for savings, investments, and other financial goals. This is a concept I learned from none other than the world-famous billionaire, Warren Buffett. He famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." He believes that people need to prioritize their financial future before anything else because it's all too easy to pay everyone else and leave nothing for ourselves. So, how do you do this? Start by treating your savings account like a bill you pay every month. As soon as you get paid, allocate a specific amount, say 10% or 20% of your income, into your savings or investment accounts. This way, you're building a financial cushion and ensuring that you're investing in your future before you start spending on other things. The key is to make this an automatic and non-negotiable part of your financial routine. 2. Save for emergencies. Now that you've learned to pay yourself first, it's time to tackle another crucial aspect of managing your finances when you get paid: saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can pop up at any time. That's why it's essential to have a financial safety net in place to help you weather any storm without going into debt or dipping into your long-term savings and investments. To start building your emergency fund, calculate how much money you would need to cover your essential living expenses if you were to lose your main source of income. This should include rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance, and any other critical expenses. Once you have this amount, aim to save up enough to cover these costs for at least 3 to 6 months. This will give you a financial cushion to fall back on in case of any unexpected events. Now you might be wondering how you're supposed to save for emergencies when you're already paying yourself first and managing your other financial responsibilities. The key is to make saving for emergencies a priority, just like paying yourself first. Allocate a specific percentage of your income, say 5% or 10%, to your emergency fund every time you get paid. This will help you build up your savings gradually over time, without putting too much strain on your budget. Remember, the goal of an emergency fund is not to make you money, but to provide you with the financial safety net for life's unexpected expenses. By setting aside money for emergencies, you're not only protecting your long-term savings and investments, but also giving yourself peace of mind, knowing that you're prepared for whatever life may throw your way. 3. Budget before you play. So far, we talked about paying yourself first and saving for emergencies, but there's another crucial aspect of managing your finances when you get paid: budgeting. Many people view budgeting as a restrictive and daunting task. However, with the right approach, budgeting can actually help you take control of your finances and spend your income wisely, without living paycheck to paycheck. The key to successful budgeting is to change your mindset. Instead of seeing budgeting as a limitation, think of it as a tool that allows you to allocate your resources effectively and spend guilt-free. Remember, budgeting is not about depriving yourself of the things you enjoy. It's about making the most of your income and ensuring that your financial goals are met. Begin by listing all your sources of income and tracking your monthly expenses. Break down your expenses into categories such as rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, entertainment, and so on. This will give you a clear overview of where your money is going, making it easier for you to identify areas where you can cut back or allocate more funds. Next, prioritize your spending. Start by allocating funds for essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries. Then, set aside money for your financial goals like paying yourself first and saving for emergencies. Finally, determine how much money you have left for discretionary spending, such as dining out, shopping, or hobbies. With your budget in place, it's essential to monitor your spending throughout the month and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you're not overspending in any area. Keep in mind that sticking to your budget might require some discipline and sacrifice, but the long-term benefits are well worth it. 4. Pay your debt. Now, we'll discuss another critical aspect of managing your finances when you get paid: paying off your debt. Debt can be a significant burden on your financial well-being, and it's essential to tackle it as soon as possible. First, let's talk about prioritizing your debts. While it may be tempting to spread your payments evenly across all your debts, it's often more effective to focus on high-interest debt first. This is because the longer you take to pay off high-interest debt, the more interest you'll have to pay in the long run. By paying off high-interest debts first, you can save money and free up more funds to put towards other financial goals. Some examples of high-interest debt include credit card balances, payday loans, and personal loans with high interest rates. As you pay off your high-interest debts, be sure to continue making at least the minimum payments on your other debts to avoid late fees and negative effects on your credit score. Now let's discuss the importance of repaying your debts as soon as you get paid. It's common to want to relax and enjoy your hard-earned money when payday rolls around, but delaying debt repayment can have serious consequences. Interest continues to accumulate, and the longer you wait to pay off your debt, the more you'll end up paying in the long run. By making debt repayment a priority when you get paid, you'll be able to tackle your debts more efficiently and lift a significant weight off your shoulders. This can lead to greater financial freedom and peace of mind, as well as improved credit scores and borrowing opportunities in the future. 5. Invest 20% of your income. Investing can be a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, but many people hesitate to take the plunge due to fear of risk or a lack of knowledge. First, let's address the fear of risk. It's true that investments can come with a certain level of risk, but avoiding investing altogether can also be a significant risk to your long-term financial health. By not investing, you may miss out on the potential for your money to grow and work for you. The key to overcoming this fear is to educate yourself, research different investment options, and develop a well-diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. One common mistake people make when it comes to investing is waiting for the perfect time or for their income to increase. However, this can be a costly mistake, as time is a valuable asset when it comes to investing. The concept of the time value of money illustrates that $1 today is worth more than $1 in the future due to its potential to earn interest or returns. By starting to invest now, even with a smaller amount, you can take advantage of compound interest and the potential for your investments to grow over time. A good rule of thumb is to invest at least 20% of your income. This can help you strike a balance between meeting your immediate financial needs and working towards your long-term financial goals. 6. Create a spending plan. A spending plan can help you stay on budget and ensure that you're making the most of your income. A spending plan goes hand in hand with your budget. While a budget helps you allocate your income to different categories like savings, bills, and discretionary spending, a spending plan helps you track your expenses and ensure that you're sticking to your budget. By monitoring your spending, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments to keep yourself on track. To create a spending plan, start by listing all your fixed and variable expenses. Fixed expenses include items like rent or mortgage payments, utility bills, and loan payments, while variable expenses include things like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Next, assign a specific dollar amount to each category based on your budget. Once you have your spending plan in place, track your expenses regularly to ensure you're sticking to your plan. You can use a variety of tools to help you with this, including pen and paper, spreadsheets, or mobile apps designed specifically for budgeting and expense tracking. 7. Keep some cash. Having cash at hand can offer several advantages. First, it can provide a financial cushion in case of emergencies, helping you avoid going into debt or tapping into your long-term investments. Second, it allows you to take advantage of investment opportunities that may arise unexpectedly, such as market downturns or the availability of an undervalued asset. Finally, cash can help you maintain peace of mind, knowing that you have a safety net in place. Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, the renowned investors behind Berkshire Hathaway, have consistently emphasized the importance of having a cash reserve. They believe that cash provides them with the flexibility to act quickly and decisively when opportunities arise. This strategy has served them well, enabling them to capitalize on situations where other investors may be cash-strapped or hesitant. However, it's essential to strike a balance between holding cash and investing in assets that can generate returns. Keeping too much cash can lead to missed investment opportunities and diminished returns over time due to inflation. Therefore, it's crucial to determine an appropriate amount of cash to hold based on your personal financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment strategy. 8. Outsource. Outsourcing involves delegating tasks to others, whether it's hiring a professional service or using technology to automate a process. By outsourcing mundane tasks, you can save valuable time and energy, which can then be redirected towards more meaningful pursuits. Consider the tasks that consume your time but don't necessarily require your expertise. These tasks may include routine household chores, such as cleaning, laundry, or grocery shopping. Outsourcing these tasks to a professional cleaner, laundry service, or grocery delivery service can free up time for you to focus on more important matters. Similarly, automating bill payments and savings contributions can save time and ensure that you never miss a payment or fail to save when you get paid. Many banks and financial institutions offer automatic bill payment and savings options, making it easy to set up a schedule and let the system handle your finances for you. Once you've saved time by outsourcing and automating mundane tasks, you can use this newfound freedom to engage in more productive activities. This might include pursuing personal development opportunities, such as taking courses, attending workshops, or reading books related to personal finance. By investing in your education and knowledge, you can make more informed decisions about your finances and better manage your money. Alternatively, you could use the time you've saved to generate additional income, such as starting a side hustle or investing in a small business. This can help you achieve your financial goals faster and provide additional security in case of unexpected financial challenges. We hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and actionable steps to improve your financial management when you get paid. Remember, the key to achieving financial success lies in understanding your finances, making informed decisions, and staying committed to your financial goals. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest content and join our growing community of people striving to achieve financial success. Finally, we recommend watching our video on 9 money habits that keep you broke for more insights and strategies to help you reach your financial goals. You can find a link to the video in the description below. Until next time.